Goodbye, Florence.
One last ride?
You're impossible!
I couldn't let you leave like this. I think about you every day.
Don't let me go!
Okay, guys, so let's go and create some short film with this Runway agent. So what I did, I just go to my ChatGPT and just ask for some kind of story, and I'll just copy all this, and when we paste here, and let's say 30 seconds. Okay.
Let's do this. Copy that. Okay.
Let's see what it's creating. So okay, while it's okay, perfect. So I like what it comes out. Then okay, I think then I have to just click generate my video. So let's see what it comes out with the video. Oh, this will take a long time, so let's wait. Okay, so the video is ready. So he said, Shun, for you. Thank you. It's all I'm asking. Well, looks good. I mean, the quality is good. And also I spend around very small amount of credit, which is also good. And let's say what it can do. Now there is like two segments, okay? Two, so... Oh, the problem was here, okay. So this is good. And let's see now, we can generate some 4K T-Dance version of this. And let's download this. This. No, let's go to see what we have. Oh, nah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, okay, so this one is also good, so we can do this. So let me go to my ChatGPT and say, it's a bit too large, so. Okay, so. Okay, so we have like 45 seconds, and I will just go here. It's 3-1. Okay, so got 1, 2, shot 3. Got that. This.
I'm here. Put it here. Okay, here. And
Way. Okay, generate. Okay, let's wait. Okay, guys, so here's the 20-second video. Goodbye, Florence. One last ride? Here, Okay. Sorry.
okay.
Okay, here is like, we can upscale from here, so just click and make it, I can also edit the video if I want, but let's make it 4K. So, it's starting. Okay, guys, so this is the 4K. It's Runway. Nice, right?
Okay, this.
One last ride. Okay, now we are going to test why we did this, so we can compare with our Seedance version. So I go to click on, here you have like models, and you have all these kind of models Runway has, which is cool. But we are going to just work with a Seedance video and say, let's see if it has like 4K. 4K. I just select it. I put it like 15 seconds. I don't know how much credit is this, so let's see. Oh, it 2000, right? Okay, so not cheap. I would just get the reference images from what we generate. So let's say we have 1, 2. Okay, we have this one, this one. Sorry. We have this one. Yeah, she is.
That's it.
Edit this prom. Okay, hi Sean.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if it's can update the triactive. So she has some shoes because she's like naked,
Fits.
which is not good. Okay, perfect. So she has, okay, now we have this image. Good. Now let's add the last one we have here, and I think it's monsters and the train station.
Can use.
Okay, we again go and post our prompt, which we copied before. In second. Okay, I'll keep this like this. Reference is fine, 4K. Okay, I will fix here. So it's 4K. So you see upscale was fine, but we are doing native Seedance 4K. So that's it. Generate. So it's just, it was like, how much credit was 2,250 credits, okay? It's a lot. So
let's.
okay, let's see our video is generate.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, so the video is ready. It takes like probably 5 minutes or something like that. Goodbye, Florence. One last ride? Okay, let's go then do this. Let's download this video. Let's see how I download it.
Okay.
No, I don't want to share. Okay, download this video.
So,
Last frame. Now, I think it's super good, so even this one is also can be upscaled with Topaz, so will be very great. Do it. So, okay, I will go here, just
upload the last
brain.
here. And
Here, I will just go get my prompt from short 4. I will put it here.
01 04 04 9 9
Okay, so I copy all this. I will put K, and then I will say start. Then frame will, if it's allow me to get the inch part. Okay, start with this. Okay. The war
okay.
is over, and it's around 2000.
Generate.
And that's great. Okay, we have the second video done. Let's see. You're impossible. I couldn't let you leave like this. I think about you every day. Perfect. So let's do the last one, which is shorter. Hey, oh.
What? Then
Okay, so I will just get the last shot. Aim. Remove all
copy this.
the airport, everything is fine, and I will put the 11 hand. That's it.
So let's see how much is this. Okay.
January. Okay, guys, so as you can see, the last 11 seconds also are done. Let's check. Let's go, let me foe. Let me go. Foe, conceal, jingery. Or kai biu, scenes. Who going do? Just go or video models and then select the model you want and just type your prompt. And you can use, like, for example, this chat GDP, which is story generator GPP, story boss generator GDP. So you get the prompt and that's it. Or you can use your own prompt, so which is fine also. Okay, so that's it.